We have here the top bit and rump from veal, very fine product, and we start on boning, and we start here at the top side. We take it off. You start on this side, make it loose here from the bone, and you can take it out. We take off the cap of the top side, and we take off the knuckle, and then we have 3 beautiful parts to make several recipes. Then we start here with the heel muscle, make it open so we can take off the shank. It's also a very specific part. You need to prepare it. It has to be well done because like the name says it already, muscle. It has a lot of muscles in it, and when you have it prepared for a longer time, it's very, very tender. What we have left, we can easily see it on this side. We take off here the silverside. It's one big piece of meat, it's very beautiful. And we take off the eye of round, that's on the side of the silverside. The next part we have is the rump. And what we cut off is a beautiful piece, and we call it the rump tail. And in the modern kitchen we also call it picanha.